Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Me Be Unique. And today we're just going to see how to adjust the backlight on your Xiaomi Google TV. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So, how to adjust the backlight on your Xiaomi Google or Android TV. To adjust the backlight, go to the side, just move on the side, you automatically open this pop-up. Now here you just need to select an option called picture. Click on this picture. Then here you have this pop-up on the side, and here you have the second option called backlight. Click on this. So actually the backlight is on the 40%. You can see the backlight is on the bottom. Just adjust it by using this remote. In this, make it as 100% or 75% or 50%. It's your wish. So this is the way that you can just adjust the backlight, and after adjusting it, just click on the OK button, center button. It will make it as OK. You can see it shows the backlight as 49%. This is how you just adjust the backlight on your Xiaomi TV. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Me Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.